We are now on day 3 of the Lycan Way. We have already walked through forest, hills and hidden coastlines. There is still so much more to see. This trail has a way of surprising you. Let's see where it takes us today. Hello guys, good morning. We wake up a few minutes ago. Yesterday was so tired for us because we walked like 13 or 14 kilometers. Also in this YouTube video description I will put 2 Wikiloc routes. It was rainy and sunny, so weather changed so much. We came here yesterday, we had a chance to take shower there. It was really good and we didn't waste time to make dinner. We had dinner here and also we will have breakfast here. Now last night we rest exactly. We will go to Kabak beach. Maybe we'll swim a little bit, I don't know. But either way we will walk today, less than yesterday. Time to pack up tent and all stuff. We have now one new friends, Libertad coming from behind. Now we are going to beach. We are so close to the beach. This is so beautiful. We were thinking to swim, but I think it's impossible because water is extremely cold. I'm playing near the water. That's it. I think it's enough because it's extremely cold. But landscape is amazing. After Kabak beach, we had a lunch. We are keep walking now. We are passing from Kabak village. We are going to Alınca village. Today we will walk maximum 6 or 7 kilometers. It will be okay. Kabak beach. We was there like 2 hours ago. Who wants to have that house here with this bird voice? Oh my god. So beautiful. I will scream and it'll do echo. I don't know if you hear or not. We are keep going. Again, Kabak beach. We are hiking up here. One hour after, sun will go down. We will come before Alınca village. Now we are so close to there. Probably we will be there in 1 hour. We are passing now mountain, all landscape, beautiful, so beautiful, really. Look at that. There was water, but it's dried. Light going down. We are also close to camping place. We will be there in 200 meters. Oh. We don't have much water, that's why we will drink only tea. When we awake morning, we will have water in the next point, but we don't know. That's why we will use what we have water little bit. Tonight we will sleep here in the forest. Probably tonight rain will come. We put our pots here. If rain it come, it can have a little bit water and we can wash ourselves. Maybe we can brush our teeth. Because exactly we don't have water. Are you hearing the owl sound? I think you are hearing. You are in the forest. Exactly like this. We wake up now. Last night was so rainy and we saw so much thunderbolt, but we sleep so good. So we rest enough. And we will keep walking now after pick up tent. Our tent is here. Here is our views.
To push these things back. Thank you.
Time to go. Today, fourth day. We leave from camping place. We are walking to Halınca with good views. But again, we are hiking up. We will have a rest here and we will drink something. Are you happy?
It's like heaven, like you are in the desert. Look, they have olives. Go have breakfast. I think they have tea. No, they have teacups. This is amazing.
And there is a money box you are putting inside from here. Thank you for this bazaar. This bazaar has even coke, some juice, iced tea, here fruit, but it's finished. After this break, we have 7 kilometer way to Alınca village. I like this mini bazaar. It's so good idea for hikers. If you like my adventures, you can subscribe my channel and put your comments. I'm making adventures, camping and trekking videos.
One time I went to the beach in Argentina. After years, the beach there is complete gray because the sun is so dark and it's always rainy. Because it's like forest. That beach so horrible. It was so cold. Imagine everyone was with sweater.
There is one more mini bazaar here. Here only water and soda, but we will Pause here. We won't take something.
Ayran getirelim mi yanına?
Ayran değil, çay içeriz abi.
He?
Çay içeriz.
Tamam. Çay.
We ate there gözleme. And we are walking near this view. So beautiful. Really. We are still going down.
Okay. Stay there.
Baby, baby,
No.
baby. Baby, what are you doing?
Maybe I thought you were gonna stop there, okay? I didn't do on purpose. Okay, bye. Stay there. I hope you have a good trip. Oh, I don't have backpack. Amazing.
Go.
I can go fast.
We are still working.
So pretty.
Tonight we will come here. Tomorrow we can keep going to Gay village. But tonight we are here.
I'm getting a little bit hungry, by the way.
If they can make it or mix it with whatever they have, and then you can put it in mesmele? Nee, how do you say?
Gözleme.
Gözleme.
Yes.
Put a little bit hot water around.
You have a lighter?
No. But we can open that one and you can put that close and it will be like a big lighter.
No.
I will get a lighter.
No. It's so dangerous, really. We can go to Sky.
Tú sabes que en México dicen la vida es un riesgo, güey. It's like a saying in Mexico, like when someone says this is risky, and in Mexico they say life is a risk, man. La vida es un riesgo, güey.